In this short tutorial, you will learn how to find the activity log on Facebook. The activity log is a useful feature that allows you to see all your actions and interactions on the platform in one place. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application. And then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. What you want to do next is scroll down. And under your activity, you'll see the activity log option. Just tap on it. Now you have the ability to see and manage your posts, activity you're tagged in, interactions, groups and events, profile information, and many more activities associated with your Facebook account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.